What if an AI's refusal could actually support you instead of just shutting you down? Researchers just introduced PSYCHOSAFE, a framework that turns blunt LLM safety blocks into psychologically informed, structured interventions. Traditionally, safety alignment treats refusals as a binary classification problem. If a prompt crosses a line, the model just says no. But in high-risk scenarios like crisis, coercion, or self-harm, that binary drop-off ignores the user's underlying need. PSYCHOSAFE bridges AI alignment with evidence-based counseling psychology. The team harmonized safety taxonomies into 5 high-stakes risk clusters: suicide and self-harm, sexual crimes, substance use, weapons, and violence. They then built an 8,019-pair dataset, grounded in intervention strategies like psychological first aid and motivational interviewing. Here's where it gets technical. They tested 2 elicitation strategies on Qwen 3.527b. First, in-context learning with a structured system prompt that forces a 4-part response. Empathetic acknowledgement, a personalized de-escalation step, matched professional resources, and a hopeful closing. Second, supervised fine-tuning using parameter-efficient LoRA adapters with rank 1 and alpha 32, trained on imputed reasoning traces distilled from a teacher model. This creates clean, supervised data that internalizes the behavior without relying on bloated context windows. The prompting approach alone boosted overall refusal quality by 28%, with external resource referrals jumping nearly 47% and psychological grounding up almost 35%, all while preserving baseline capabilities on MMLU and HelloSwag. Fine-tuning drove refusal rates to near perfect, but introduced a relevance trade-off. The model started applying crisis templates too broadly, sometimes missing context or over-triggering on benign queries, because the training data lacked enough contextual variability. Benchmarked against SoriBench for adversarial refusal robustness and excess test for over-refusal detection, the framework shows strong in-domain performance, but limited out-of-domain generalization. The takeaway: safety and helpfulness don't have to be a zero-sum game. By grounding refusals in established psychological theory, we can build models that protect users without abandoning them. The dataset and code are open source. Thanks for watching.